When it comes to metalworking, the durability of your tools can mean the difference between a smooth, productive day in the workshop and costly downtime. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at tungsten carbide burrs, those small but mighty rotary tools that tackle the toughest grinding jobs. Specifically, we're putting them to the ultimate test. 1 full hour of non-stop grinding on mild steel. The goal? To push these bits to their limits and see how they really stack up against each other. We're comparing industry-leading brands like Burr and Eastwood, scrutinizing performance, wear, and value for every minute spent at the grinder. Tungsten carbide burrs are prized for their toughness and longevity. Made from a hard, dense material that can withstand substantial heat and friction, these burrs are the go-to choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. But how much abuse can they really take before performance drops? That's what this test is all about. We've set up an uninterrupted grinding session using identical mild steel stock, consistent pressure, and controlled speed to guarantee a fair comparison between the two brands. During this hour, we'll observe not only how much material each burr removes, but also how their cutting edges fare under relentless use. As the test begins, you'll notice the distinct sound of metal meeting carbide, a symphony of sparks, shavings, and determination. Both burrs start strong, carving through the steel with the impressive speed. The third burr demonstrates a smooth, efficient cut, with minimal vibration and a steady stream of fine chips. The Eastwood burr, meanwhile, shows a slightly more aggressive bite, biting deeper into the material but producing coarser shavings and a bit more chatter. It's clear both tools are up to the challenge, at least in these early minutes. But durability is revealed over time, not in the first few passes. As the session progresses, heat buildup becomes a factor. Tungsten carbide's resistance to wear and thermal expansion is put to the test. We observe any changes in cutting speed, chip formation, and operator fatigue, key indicators of tool performance and longevity. The third burr maintains its edge remarkably well, showing only minor signs of wear after 30 minutes. The Eastwood burr, while still cutting effectively, begins to show slight rounding at the tips of its flutes, a subtle sign that the tool is approaching its limits. By the 45-minute mark, the differences become more pronounced. The third burr continues to produce clean, consistent cuts, while the Eastwood burr requires a bit more pressure to achieve the same results. This is where the true value of premium tooling comes to light. Investing in a high-quality burr can mean fewer interruptions, longer tool life, and a smoother workflow. A point worth considering for anyone who spends serious time at the grinder. As the hour draws to a close, both burrs have removed a substantial amount of steel. But the third stands out for its enduring sharpness and consistent performance. The Eastwood burr, though it put up a strong fight, shows clear signs of wear and reduced efficiency. For anyone deciding between brands, this test provides valuable insight into which tool will hold up under demanding conditions. If you found this durability test helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth tool reviews and metalworking tips. We are always pushing our equipment to the limit so you can make informed choices in your workshop. And we want to hear from you. Have you tried our carbide burr tools? Leave a comment below and share your experiences, whether you're a veteran machinist or just starting out. Your feedback helps us create better content and keeps the conversation going in the metalworking community. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more hands-on tests and expert advice.